Hello friends, welcome to Fortune Elite Property. We are in NH2 Uskur Main Road. Look at this beautiful land located exactly in Main Road. West facing land having 20 guntas, suitable for farmhouse, commercial farming and plots. Right opposite to this property, you can see fully developed residential layout, and the property is surrounded by many international schools and educational institutions. Right opposite to this property, you can see fully developed residential layouts, and property is surrounded by many international schools and educational institutions. Very attractive land, close to Electronic City and Sajapur Main Road. Electronic City is 3 km away from this land. Asking price of this land is 18 lakh per gunta, negotiable. Compared to market, this is very lowest price. This is Sumukha Residency, right opposite to the property, well developed and decent locality. Now we are looking at Bangalore's largest fruit market. It's very famous. This is one of the busiest market in the state. Fruit export is happening all over the country. Market is very close to our property. This is Madhurama Temple, Bangalore's famous temple. Walkable distance from our property. As you can see, this land is close to all amenities from school, college, hospitals and malls. Easily accessible to Electronic City, NH, Sajapur Main Road. So friends, it is very rare to find this kind of lowest price land. Serious buyers can contact below number. All details are mentioned in description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more updates. Keep supporting us.